In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round up numbers in Excel. If you've ever needed to make sure a value always rounds upward, whether you're budgeting, setting price points, or estimating quantities, this quick method will give you consistent results every time. First, click the cell where you want the rounded result to appear. This keeps your original data intact and places the rounded value in a clean spot. It's a good habit to separate raw numbers from calculated results so you can reference or audit the source later. Now, start typing the formula by entering roundup. As you do, Excel will show you the function hint, which reminds you that roundup needs two pieces of information: the number you're rounding and how many digits you want to keep. Roundup always moves away from 0, unlike round, which can go up or down depending on the decimal. Next, click the cell that contains the number you want to round up, then type a comma. After the comma, specify how many digits you want. Use 0 if you want a whole number with no decimals. Use 1 for one decimal place, 2 for two decimals, and so on. You can even use negative values to round up to tens, hundreds, or thousands, like 1 to round 23 up to 30, or 2 to round 325 up to 400. Once you've entered the number of digits, close the parenthesis to finish the formula. For example, round up A2000 will round the value in A2 up to the nearest whole number. Press Enter to apply the formula. You'll see the new value immediately. If your original number was 3.14 and you used 0 digits, the result becomes 4. If you asked for two decimal places, 3.141 would become 3.15. Remember, this function changes the value, not just how it looks. That's different from formatting decimals, which only changes the display but leaves the underlying number the same. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you included the comma and the closing parenthesis, and make sure the number of digits is an actual number. If you ever need to reuse this calculation for neighboring rows, you can reference a cell for the number and fill the formula down to keep everything consistent. To recap, choose the cell for your result, type all roundup, select the number you want to round, add a comma and the number of digits you need, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. That's all it takes to reliably round numbers up in Excel.